I'm Chris Roberts, and this is my final project for CS50P, Introduction to Programming with Python. I've coded a game of rock, paper, scissors. When the user starts the program, they are welcomed to the game and asked how many rounds they would like to play the best of. They must input a positive integer here, otherwise they are reprompted again. In this case, we will select 5. The program then calculates how many rounds the player must win in order to win the game overall. In this case, it would be 3 out of 5 rounds. The user is then prompted to pick either rock, paper, or scissors. If they type anything else here, then they are reprompted again. In this case, we will select rock, and this selection can be made case insensitively. The results are then displayed. In this case, the player has chose rock and the computer has picked scissors, so the player has won this round. The total tallies are then displayed, so 1 point is awarded to the player tally. We will now pick scissors, and we will do so in lowercase. This is again accepted, but this round is a tie, so 1 point is awarded to the draws tally. Let's select paper and do so in all caps. Again, this is accepted, and this round is a draw. Let's speed things up. There's a lot of draws happening. So now that the player has won 3 out of 5 rounds, the final score is displayed saying that the player has won, and the player is asked if they would like to play again. They can enter yes, no, Y, or N. Anything else will not be accepted. In this case, we will select yes. The game is now reset, and the player is asked how many rounds they would like to play the best of. In this case, we will just do 1. In this instance, the computer won. The final result is displayed, and the user is again asked if they would like to play again. In this case, we will select no. The player is thanked for playing, and the program then terminates. And here is a quick overview of the underlying code. There's 1 main function and 8 supporting functions.